Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when all of the downloads in Google Play Store are stuck on a pending, but you have a stable internet connection on your Realme 11 Pro. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store, and right here if we try to install something like Clash of Clans, you can see that it's stuck on pending and won't begin the actual download. And so let's cancel it for now and move on to the fix. We'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Here, select date and time and enable set time automatically. We can go back to our Google Play Store and try to install the same game. As you can see, download begins immediately and it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.